Social Science, Nationalism in India, Class 10, CBSE. First question: how did the consciousness of nationalism emerge in India? The growth of modern nationalism in India is connected to the anti-colonial movement that began in India. This is the basis of the growth of nationalism in India. People discovered their unity in the process of their struggle against colonial rulers. The colonial rule created different impact, different effects on different sections of society. Therefore, meaning of freedom for those different sections of society were also different. So, to create a sense of unity, to create oneness in the country was not an easy task for any national leader, because the interest of different sections of society were also contradictory, conflicting interest we had. But but in such condition, even in such situation, M.K. Gandhi tried his best to bring together all the section of society, and create nationalism in India. He conducted three movements: non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, quit India movement. And during these movements, he tried his best to bring together all the sections of society together to strengthen the movement against the British rulers. Dalits were there, SC, ST, OBC, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. These people were there in India, and M.K. Gandhi tried his level best and to some extent successful to mobilize these people, unite these people against colonial rule, and successfully did it. Next is, when did the First World War break out? What were its political and economic impact on India? The World War first broke out in 1914. Very easy it is. In 1914, First World War broke out. Its political and economic impact: there was huge increase in defense expenses financed by war loans and increasing taxes. When the expenses of the government increase, they increase taxes on the people. And when taxes on the people increases, what happens? People suffer. Next is, the government raised custom duties and income tax, where income tax was introduced. There was increase in price, and the common people faced extreme hardship. Next, the villagers were called upon to join British army, and at some places forced recruitment was done. This infuriated the villagers. This made the villagers angry with the British. There was food shortage because of the failure of crops, and this food shortage created starvation, and starvation was followed by influenza epidemic. Just as we are facing pandemic nowadays, similarly that time they faced influenza epidemic, and about 13 million people were killed in this epidemic. All these led to the non-cooperation movement and other things. Then in this video, this much we will see. We will do. Rest is in another video. Thank you. Have a nice time.